How to use Grok Imagine AI image and video generator. So basically this option over here, or this little feature, which is Imagine. It's actually quite a powerful tool since it's actually free. You don't need anything more. What you're gonna have to do if you want an image is choose over here, either image or video. First, we're going to do an image. We're going to have to choose an aspect ratio, so choose from the available ones. In our case, we're just going to go for a 9:16 aspect ratio. Then just go ahead here and type whatever kind of image you want. So a simple prompt or a complex one. So put in mind that a complex one can become a bit more complicated, of course, but of course it's going to get you what you want more specifically. But in our case, we're going to go with a simpler one. So let's say an orange cat. So once we go ahead and put in that and an image, we press on submit, and it's going to give us examples or basically AI images of an orange cat. So let's wait for it to generate. Then over here, we'll get orange cats. You can do whatever you want with the prompt, like change the background, change the size of the cat, change the eye color. Pretty much depends on you, on what kind of cat you want, or what kind of image you want, I mean. As for the video, you can go ahead back here and choose the video option. You can go ahead and type in what kind of video you want. Let's say a cat dancing, and make it realistic. It's gonna go ahead and generate yourself a video of course, in our case, a cat dancing. But once it's done generating, it's gonna give us an example of what we basically asked for. In our case, this cat isn't really dancing, but it's a cat and it's good enough for now. If you want a more successful result, then it's going to be a more complicated prompt. But that's pretty much how the image and video generator works in Grok Imagine. So you can go ahead and explore what it works for. You can also edit images here as well. And you can also turn images into videos here directly in Grok Imagine. Just go ahead and upload your image, choose the video option, and choose a prompt to whatever you want the image to look like as a video, and you'll get just that. If you want the files, just go ahead and press on download over here, or you could create to share a link if you want someone else to see it, or this, which is compost post. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.